Okay, so we have the Rotaract event, one of the biggest community service project which is being done in the country. So this is one of the yearly assembly that usually takes place. So we just want to know like your thoughts about the event and the theme and your future goals about the.
So Rotaract is a youth-led movement in Sri Lanka. We are the most number of volunteer-led movement. We have 4,900 members so far.
Okay.
So Rotaract, when it comes, it is not only about the service aspect, it's also about the youth skill development. So currently this year, our year starts on 1st of July. So this year our theme is to be the inspiration in internationally and inspire the future.
So today's event was basically an outgoing session for the past DRR, and in Canberra you're installing the new district Rotaract representative. That is the person who is in charge of Rotaract in Sri Lanka as a whole. So basically that's what happened, and it's also recognizing the achievements and the efforts put in by clubs in the last year and giving them awards in a rough scale.
So how successful do you think the event is?
It is because we had 650 participants and we had to close registrations because Golden Rose couldn't accommodate.
So you have overbooked?
Yeah, we were overbooked. So we could have gone up to 1,000 if this could accommodate around 1,000. So yeah.
So today was Rotaract District Training Assembly that we had for 2018 and 19. And it went pretty well. It was from morning till evening, where the clubs from different parts of Sri Lanka came together in recognition for the efforts that they put throughout the year, as well as installing the next Rotaract leader for us.